Today we'll show you how to successfully complete a free rental application using Avail, so you can confidently share your information securely with landlords as you move forward in your search for a new home. Create your profile just once and share it with multiple landlords for free. First, we'll assume you've already created an Avail account and have logged in at avail.co. If you've been invited to complete an application by a landlord using Avail, you'll see their invitation on your dashboard and can select Complete Application. Otherwise, you can begin a new application or finish any requested applications by selecting Applications from the left sidebar. Next, on step 1 of the application, enter your basic information, including your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. This section also allows you to tell potential landlords about yourself and any pets you have, and upload your ID. Select Continue once all fields are completed to move into section 2. Here, you'll enter your current and past residence history and landlord contact information. You can also select the option for Avail or potential landlords to contact these landlords to receive a reference on your residence history. This is highly recommended, as reference checks are often required when applying for a rental. Feel free to enter a custom message for your current or previous landlord, which will be sent with the reference request once your application is submitted. Moving on to step 3 of the application, add your work history and supervisor contact information. You can select Add Work History at the bottom to provide additional employment information as needed. Select Continue to move forward with your income details. Next, you'll be asked to provide income verification in section 4. This section allows you to provide details on any unique income situations you may have outside of what you have already provided in the work history section. You can upload proof of income documents by clicking Upload or drag and drop them from your files. Now you're almost done. In section 5, answer a few standard questions and provide explanations as needed. Then select Continue. For the final step, check the box to verify and authorize your information. Then select Submit Application. Congratulations, you've just successfully submitted your free rental application. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.